Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is at the pharmacy. You will listen to a funny and natural English conversation about buying medicine at the pharmacy. All right, let's begin. Hey Dave, how are you feeling today?
A little better, but not perfect.
Really?
Yes, my throat still hurts.
Oh no, that's not good.
The doctor told me to buy medicine.
Okay, let's go to the pharmacy.
Pharmacy. That's where we buy medicine, right?
Yes, exactly.
I hope the medicine tastes good.
Medicine usually tastes bad.
Oh no, that's bad news.
But it helps you feel better.
That's true. Is the pharmacy far?
No, it's just around the corner.
Good. I'm too tired to walk far.
Lazy Dave.
I'm not lazy. I'm sick.
Okay, sick Dave.
Look, is that the pharmacy?
Yes, that's the one.
Wow, it looks big.
Yes, many people come here.
I feel nervous again.
Nervous? Why?
Because I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you. You're the best.
I know.
Hey.
Just kidding. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
How can I help you?
I need medicine.
What kind of medicine? Tell him your problem.
Oh, yes. I have a sore throat.
A sore throat.
Yes, and a small fever.
Okay, I understand.
Good, because I don't understand medicine names.
That's normal.
Medicine names sound scary.
True. I will give you throat medicine.
Throat medicine. Okay.
And fever medicine.
2 medicines?
Yes.
Oh no, double trouble.
Double medicine.
I hope they are small pills.
They are small.
Good, I don't like big pills.
You sound like a kid.
Big pills look like rocks.
That's funny.
I once tried to swallow a big pill.
What happened?
I almost cried.
Really?
Yes, very scary moment.
How often should I take this medicine? Take 1 pill in the morning.
Morning? Okay.
And 1 pill at night.
Morning and night. Got it.
Drink plenty of water.
Water is easy.
Yes, very easy.
Should I eat before taking medicine?
Yes, eat food first.
Okay, good to know.
You're asking good questions.
I'm learning.
That's great. The total is $10.
$10?
That's not bad.
Medicine is expensive.
Health is important.
That's true. Here is the money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Get well soon.
I hope so. Okay, I got the medicine.
Good job.
I feel like a professional patient.
Professional patient?
Yes, I know how to buy medicine now.
That's funny.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
But I'm still scared to taste it.
Brave Dave.
Not brave, just hungry.
Hungry again?
Yes, medicine makes me hungry.
Everything makes you hungry.
That's true.
Okay, Dave. Now you have your medicine.
Yes, but I'm still scared.
Scared of what?
The taste.
Medicine usually tastes bad.
I know. That's why I'm scared.
Don't worry. Just take it quickly.
Quickly?
Yes. 1 second and done.
That sounds easy, but scary.
You're funny. Okay. Take 1 pill now.
Now?
Yes, now.
Okay, here goes. Oh no.
What happened?
It's stuck in my hand.
Just put it in your mouth.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Drink water.
Yes. Water. Water. Gulp.
Did you swallow it?
Yes, I think so.
Good job.
That was scary.
Brave Dave.
Wait.
What?
I taste something.
Oh no.
It's bitter.
I told you.
My tongue feels angry.
Angry tongue?
Yes, very angry.
Drink more water.
Okay. Better now.
See? You survived.
Barely.
You're dramatic.
Medicine is dramatic. Why do I need so much water?
Water helps the medicine work.
Okay, I will drink more.
Good.
I feel like a fish now.
Fish, Dave.
Yes, swimming in water.
That's funny.
I should grow fins.
No fins, please.
Okay, no fins. What if I feel sleepy?
Some medicine makes you sleepy.
Really?
Yes.
That's good. I like sleeping.
Of course you do.
Sleeping is my hobby.
Funny hobby.
What if I feel hungry?
You always feel hungry.
That's true.
Maybe medicine will make you stronger.
Stronger?
Yes, like a superhero.
Super Dave.
Yes, Flying Dave.
I want to fly to the kitchen.
Food superhero.
That's me.
Did the pharmacist say to eat healthy food?
Yes, he did.
What healthy food will you eat?
Maybe soup?
Soup is good.
And fruit?
That's healthy.
But I still want snacks.
Of course.
Snacks make me happy.
Always snacks.
Snack power.
You're so funny.
I feel a little better now.
Really?
Yes, maybe the medicine is working.
That's good.
My throat feels less painful.
Great news.
I think medicine is magic.
Magic medicine.
Yes, wizard medicine.
You're very creative.
Thank you. I'm still tired.
That's normal.
I want to go home and rest.
Good idea.
Rest is the best medicine.
That's true.
I will sleep like a baby.
Baby Dave.
No crying baby.
Good baby. Dave, how are you feeling now?
I feel sleepy.
Really?
Yes, very sleepy.
Maybe the medicine is working?
I think so.
The pharmacist said you might feel sleepy.
Oh no, I feel like my eyes are closing.
Don't sleep here.
I can't help it.
Let's go home first.
Yes, home sounds perfect.
Okay, Dave, sit on the sofa.
This sofa feels so soft.
You look very tired.
I feel like a sleepy cat.
Sleepy cat Dave.
Meow.
That's funny.
I think I will fall asleep soon.
That's okay. Rest is good.
Wake me up later.
Okay.
Wait,
What?
should I take another pill now?
No, not now.
Good. I don't want another bitter pill.
You survived the first one.
Barely survived.
You're so dramatic.
Bitter medicine is my enemy.
Funny enemy.
I will fight it again tonight.
Brave warrior Dave.
Yes, medicine warrior.
That's funny.
I'm starting to feel warm.
That's okay. Your body is fighting the sickness.
My body is strong,
Yes, very strong.
like a superhero.
Super Dave again.
Yes, cape and everything.
What color cape?
Blue.
Nice choice.
I look cool now.
Very cool superhero.
Super Dave saves the day.
Saves himself.
Yes, saving myself from sickness.
Dave, before you sleep, eat some soup.
Soup?
Yes, warm soup helps your throat.
That sounds nice.
I made chicken soup.
Wow, that smells good.
Try a little.
Okay. Delicious.
Good?
Very good.
Soup is better than medicine, right?
Yes, soup tastes much better.
Of course.
Can soup replace medicine?
No chance.
I wish it could.
That would be amazing.
Soup medicine.
Funny idea.
I'm getting sleepier.
That's good.
I think I will dream about food.
Of course you will.
Pizza, burgers, noodles.
Hungry dreams.
Very hungry dreams.
Don't dream about bitter medicine.
Oh no, scary dream.
Nightmare medicine.
Please no bitter dream.
You're funny.
I feel calm now.
That's good.
My throat feels better than before.
The medicine is working.
Yes, magic medicine again.
Magic soup, too.
Yes, magic soup and magic medicine.
Perfect team.
Dream team.
Nice joke.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome.
You're a very good friend.
Thank you.
I feel lucky.
That's sweet.
Okay, now I really want to sleep.
Go ahead.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning, Dave. Dave, wake up.
5 more minutes?
It's already morning.
Really?
Yes, the sun is shining.
Oh, wow. I slept so long.
Yes, you slept like a baby.
Haha. Good baby or crying baby?
Good baby.
I feel different today.
Different how?
I feel better.
Really?
Yes, my throat feels better.
That's great news.
The medicine worked.
And the soup helped too.
Yes, magic soup again.
Magic team.
I feel strong today.
Strong like Super Dave?
Yes, Super Dave is back.
Welcome back, Super Dave.
No more sleepy eyes.
That's good.
I feel hungry again.
Of course you do.
Being healthy makes me hungry.
You're always hungry.
That's my special skill.
Funny skill. Okay, let's eat breakfast.
Yes, please.
I made eggs and toast.
Wow, that smells amazing.
Sit down.
Thank you. This tastes so good.
Good food helps you recover.
I feel stronger with every bite.
Power breakfast.
Yes, breakfast power.
You're funny this morning.
Because I'm healthy again.
That's wonderful.
From now on, I will be healthy.
Really?
Yes, I will eat vegetables.
Wow, that's a big promise.
And I will sleep early.
Very good.
And I will drink more water.
Excellent.
And I will exercise every day.
Amazing.
But
But what?
I will still eat snacks.
Of course.
Snacks are part of my life.
Snack lover, Dave.
Forever snack lover.
That's funny. Don't forget, you still need to take medicine today.
Oh no!
What's wrong?
I forgot about the bitter taste.
Brave Dave again.
I will be strong.
That's the spirit.
Medicine is my challenge.
Challenge accepted.
I will drink lots of water.
Good plan.
And eat candy after.
That's funny. Feeling fully better.
Honestly, I feel much better now.
That's wonderful.
Yesterday, I felt terrible.
Yes, you looked very sick.
Today, I feel normal.
That's great.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
You helped me call the doctor.
Yes.
You helped me go to the pharmacy.
Yes.
You made soup for me.
Yes.
You're the best friend.
Thank you.
I feel lucky.
That's very sweet.
Next time, I will not get sick.
Good plan.
I will stay healthy forever.
Forever?
Yes, forever strong.
Let's see about that.
But if I get sick again,
Yes.
I know what to do now.
Call the doctor.
Go to the pharmacy,
Take medicine.
drink soup,
And rest.
and eat snacks.
Always snacks.
Snacks make life happy.
That's your final lesson.
Yes, snack lesson number 1.
Funny ending.
I feel happy now.
Me too.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.